Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video, we will discuss about carbapenem antibiotics. Carbapenem drugs. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Carbapenem drugs includes like imipenem, meropenem, ertapenem, doripenem and ferropenem. Meropenem, ertapenem, doripenem and ferropenem. In these, cilastatin not required. Cilastatin not required. And they have lesser risk of seizures side effect than imipenem. So now we will discuss about imipenem. Imipenem are effective against gram-positive, gram-negative and anaerobes. They are effective against gram-positive, gram-negative and anaerobes. Imipenem always have to given with cilastatin. Because if given alone, it is broken down by dehydropeptidase enzyme in the kidney. And imipenem is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is also effective against Pseudomonas. Now, what is the side effect of imipenem is seizures. And what are the contraindications? Epileptic patients. We can't give imipenem to epileptic patients. All carbapenems are injectable except ferropenem, which can be given orally. Only ferropenem is injectable. Others can be given orally. Any bacteria, mostly Klebsiella, which has extended spectrum beta-lactamase enzyme, is resistant to most of the antibiotics except carbapenems. Mutations of extended spectrum beta-lactamase enzyme. Limitations of extended spectrum beta-lactamase enzyme. It cannot break carbapenems and hence carbapenems are the drug of choice for extended spectrum beta-lactamase producing bacteria. It cannot break carbapenems. It can be inhibited by beta lactamase inhibitors like piperacillin plus tazobactam combination. Next drugs are NDM, which is New Delhi metallo-beta lactamase. NDM can break most of the antibiotics just like ESBL. And it can break carbapenem also. And it cannot inhibited by beta lactamase inhibitors. This infection is also known as superbug. Colistin can kill the bacteria that produces NDM beta lactamase, and colistin is the drug of choice for NDM producing bacterial infections. Colistin is the drug of choice for NDM bacterial infections.